Hey guys, this is Carrie from Byrider, the car dealership here in Madison. So just wanted to go over a little bit about what we do, how we can help folks get into vehicles that have less than perfect credit, and kind of explain the process a little bit. So here at Byrider Madison, like I mentioned, that's what we do every single day. We help folks with credit issues, bad credit, no credit, damaged credit. We are typically going to be that second chance financing. If other traditional dealerships can't get you done, typically we can. So again, it's not about the credit score. There are other factors involved, but long story short, we've been in business for over 30 years. We've been helping folks that amount of time get financed and move on with their credit situation. So first and foremost, there are a couple of ways to start the process. We usually direct our customers to the website to fill out a credit application, so we can do everything online and over the phone and only bring folks in that we can work with. Now, what I don't want to do is deter anybody from just walking on in. You're more than welcome to. Just come on in. We're located at 5234 High Crossing Boulevard. So basically, whether you're in person, in-house, doing an application right off the jump, or doing an application over the phone, there are a few things that you would need to bring in with you. First and foremost is your driver's license or your state-issued ID. That's the first thing we would need for you to come in. Second would be your proof of residency. So something that has your name, address dated within 30 days of the day that you're coming in. The next would be your proof of income. So in most cases, it's going to be your 2 most recent paycheck stubs. And then lastly would be your trade title for the trade, if you have one, and of course, down payment. So like I mentioned, it's all about getting our customers financed, get them on the road to building better credit. Typically, you find it about 2.5 to 3 years with making good payments on your vehicle through us. You've fixed your credit to a point where you can trade out of this vehicle, go the traditional dealership route, and your balance is at a point where you can do that as well. I always tell my customers, you got to start somewhere, and that's where we are here at Byrider. To launch that rocket ship, you got to make it to the launch pad. So again, this is Carrie from Byrider. Wishing you all happy days, enjoy the summer, and take care.